Imagine your Jacksonville auto repair shop hidden in the shadows. Now picture it glowing at the top of Google search. AI mode in Google search is the secret turbo boost. It's like giving your shop a digital megaphone that shouts to every car owner in Jacksonville. But here's the twist. Most shops don't use it. Why? Because mastering AI mode is tricky. That's where America's Best Shops agency rides in as the hero. They crack the AI code, turning search results into a flood of customers. Visualize your shop appearing first, with stunning AI-powered images and ultra-targeted ads. Every click, every search, funnels straight to your door. The result? More calls, more appointments, more revenue. The real magic? AI mode learns and adapts, making your marketing smarter and sharper over time. Say goodbye to outdated ads and hello to precision growth. Ready to unlock this powerhouse for your shop? Don't let your competitors crash your party. Fuel your business with AI mode now. What if the next customer searching for auto repair is just one AI-powered click away? Don't you want them to find you first?